Hey guys, I'm Sam, and today we're going to be learning about the CleanWipePro ergonomic and waterproof keyboard from SealShield. This state-of-the-art keyboard comes with a compact footprint perfect for whatever the workplace entails. It's 100% waterproof and dishwasher safe thanks to its IP68 certification, and it's been deemed compatible with several industrial-grade cleaners and disinfectants. Its Seal Lock technology key function, or Alt F12, allows for easy cleaning while the keyboard is actively connected. The CleanWipePro has LED key illumination on the following keys: Caps Lock, Number Lock, Scroll Lock, and Key Lock. And let's not forget about the two silicone cover options, the SSKV101 Pro CW Flat and Fit styles for whatever your workday requires. The CleanWipePro possesses 3 ergonomic tilt positions which allow users to locate their preferred angle, cutting down on potential wrist injuries. I wanted to thank SealShield for sending over this keyboard so that I could walk you through its features and benefits. And if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to your BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.